In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create anchor links in Elementor. Easy tutorial. Anchor links let visitors jump directly to a specific section on a page, perfect for long pages, FAQs, or a back-to-top action. Here's how to set them up the right way from start to finish. First, sign into your WordPress dashboard and head to Pages. Open the page that contains the section you want people to land on and click Edit with Elementor. In the Elementor editor, click the section you want to target. This is the spot your link will scroll to. With that section selected, look to the left panel and open the Advanced tab. Find the field labeled CSS ID. Type a short, unique identifier here, like Contact Us or Pricing. Use only lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens, no spaces, and don't include the hash symbol, just the ID itself. Make a quick note of that ID because you'll use it in the link. Next, open the page where the link will live. This could be the same page or a different one. Edit it with Elementor as well. Add or select the element that should act as the link. This can be a button, a piece of text, an image, or most other widgets. With that element selected, locate its link or URL field. Now enter the destination. If you're linking from a different page, paste the full URL of the target page, then add a hash and your CSS ID. For example, yoursite.com/page, name hash contact us. If the link points to a section on the same page, you can simply enter hash contact us. Double check for typos here. Even a small mismatch will break the scroll. Click update to save your changes, then preview the page. Test the link and confirm it smoothly scrolls to the right section. If it doesn't land exactly where you expect, confirm the CSS ID matches. Ensure you didn't include the hash in the ID field and clear any caching. Also test on mobile to make sure the scroll behavior is consistent. If you use a sticky header that overlaps the top of sections, consider adding a little top padding to the target section so the heading isn't hidden when the page scrolls. That's it. You've added an anchor target to a section, placed a link on the originating page, and verified that it jumps to the correct spot. Once you get comfortable with this workflow, you can use it across your site to improve navigation, guide users to key content, and streamline the overall experience. Thanks for watching and happy building with Elementor.